If your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are not turning on, it's not working and not responding, then let me show you some troubleshooting steps that may help you fix your Sony XM5 that won't turn on. First of all, you need to remember that to turn on your Sony XM5 headphones, you'll need to press and hold the power button and not just press it. So press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds until you see the power LED come up. Now your headphones are turned on. If it still doesn't turn on, then there's a chance that your headphones are out of charge. So charge it for at least half an hour using a supported charger which is fast enough. After plugging a charger, you should see a orange LED, which means it's charging. So let it charge and then try turning it on again. If it still doesn't turn on, then let's try resetting it. And before resetting, turn off Bluetooth on any device that it's paired to. After that, grab your headphones, then press and hold the power and noise cancelling button together for at least 7 seconds or until you see the blue LED blinking. Then release it and your headphones are now reset. After that, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds and it should turn on. If it still doesn't turn on and you don't see any LED, then let's try using the 3.5mm jack that's provided in the box and connect it to a PC or a phone that has a headphone jack. After plugging the headphone jack, if your headphone turns on and you can hear music, then it's probably the power button that's broken. But if your headphone still doesn't turn on even after connecting it via cable, then it may be a different hardware issue and you need to repair your headphones by contacting Sony support. Let us know how it went, and if this was helpful, consider clicking on the like button and subscribe for more.